continue. Halachos of Yom Tov, and we're going to do overview. So I know many people, they just skip overview and they go to the Halachos, they want to start turning the pages over, but we're going to overview because overview in this book is something out of this world. So first, it's split in many different thoughts. So it says the first one, V'samachta b'chagecha, right? Rejoice on Yom Tov. And it says, Yom Tov is a miracle, although replete with prohibition which appears confining. The very opposite is true. Yom Tov liberates. It is a treasure of unfolded contentment and joy. Yom Tov is a synonym to everlasting life. It is another name for a paradise. For us to charge on Yom Tov is self-evident. Rejoice on Yom Tov. So let's do this paragraph and we're going to explain what he's talking about. It's not, it sounds poetic, but it's very, very halachic also, right? So Yom Tov is a miracle. So all Yom Tov, Yom Tovim, right, in plural, they're actually connected to a miracle that happened to Jewish nation in one point of our history. It's very important. So it's not like a random date. Continue. Although replete with prohibition, which appear confined. So people say, no, what kind of like day off, right? You cannot do many things, but opposite is true. You're free from all of the other obligations. So you don't have to go to work, you don't have to do cleaning your house, this and that. So you have a lot of free time to enjoy it. So this prohibition, this confining, actually it's very good for us, right? The very opposite is true, as we just explained. Yom Tov liberates, meaning that you're free, and but freedom, of course, it's not like goyim things like lightheadedness. You drink, you eat, you do all other disgusting things, right? It's not freedom according to Jewish thought. The freedom according to Jewish thought is just to learn Torah and be close to Hashem. That's the freedom from physicality of this world. It is a treasure of unfold contentment and joy. Right? It is a treasure of untold contentment and joy. Of course, in order to have, as the author say, contentment and joy, you have to work on it. So you have to prepare, you have to learn as much as possible about Yom Tov, about, of course, the laws of Yom Tov, how to celebrate it. And then you're going to enjoy. Otherwise, if you do not know why you're there, what exactly you're doing, and you just waited for somebody to announce the page, that's not a good preparation. So you're not going to enjoy it. Yom Tov is a synonym for everlasting life, right? Very interesting. It is another name for paradise. So Yom Tov, paradise. We're going to see why later on, but it's very interesting. For us to charge on Yom Tov, the self-evident. Right? So what is the obligation on Yom Tov? V'samachta b'chagecha. Right? Rejoice on Yom Tov. So it's and that's why our sages told us in Talmud. So what does it mean? Rejoice depends on who you are. Right? So, not everybody rejoice from the same thing. With men, it's very simple, very physical. We rejoice from drinking wine and eating red meat, right? Not chicken, but actually meat. Baruch Hashem, it's very simple. Women a little more sophisticated, so they for them rejoicing meaning gifts. So you have to buy your wife a gift, whatever, some kind of piece of jewelry, some clothing, some whatever she likes, whatever she would make her happy. Of course, flowers is a must. So you buy her a gift, right? For kids also. We buy candies, we buy sweets, also some clothing, whatever they would enjoy, some toys, so they would remember, and they have a special like anticipation of the holidays. Okay.